Sexy Lexi babes, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we will be making a birthday cake lip gloss because our 1-year anniversary is March 13th. So of course we're going to use our TKB gloss base because it is the best gloss base ever, and it is 6 ounces, and I'm just going to make sure that I get all of that base outside of the pouch and into the bowl. And this is how the package should look once you've got all of that gloss base out. Nice and flat, and there's no gloss left. So now I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and go ahead and pour that into my gloss base. Now we're going to add 3 more tablespoons of oil to the base. Of course, we're going to add our polyisobutene, which is great for giving your gloss extra high shine. And for the perfect birthday cake scent, we're going to add a cake batter flavor from Lorien oils. And I'm just going to take my 3 milliliter syringe and use that to drop some of that flavoring oil into the base. And mix the flavoring oil into the base, and now I'm going to add these vegan sprinkles into our base so we can have birthday cake gloss. And where I got this from will be linked in the description. Everything I always use is always in the description to help you all. So here's a tip and trick that I do with my pipette and my syringes to help ensure that I fill my glosses the most easiest way that I can. So just pay close attention and see exactly what I do. To begin filling tubes. It is completely normal if sometimes the sprinkles got stuck inside of the syringe. They're big pieces of sprinkles, so that is absolutely normal. Don't feel like you're doing something wrong if this happens to you as well. quickly going to show you how to correctly add your tops to your glosses. Thank all you beautiful people for watching today's video. Be sure to check out all of our social medias linked in the description below. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and be sure to visit my website at www.sexlacinc.com.